and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1982 Chevrolet Scottsdale K10 four-wheel drive short box pickup. Killer little truck, guys. Love the two-tone blue metallic. Very pretty on the truck. Sits good, drives out excellent. Good solid straight body. Truck spent most of its life in Texas. I bought it down in Florida. But as we walk around, you'll see this is just a good truck. Really hits the road good. Love the color, slick paint. Couple little marks you can kind of nitpick on the truck, but man, just a really good truck. Factory 15-inch wheels, dual chrome mirrors. Love the double pinstripe here. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the truck. I mean, the chrome stainless is nice. We got something on it. I don't know what it is. Little wax or something. Oh, probably a little color wax. Let's say put a little color wax on it. We'll get that off of it. Paint slick. Dual chrome mirrors. Glass is nice. It's got a Rhino lined bed. Dual tanks. Chrome's nice. There's a little stuff on it here. You can see nice and straight down the sides, great stance. Again, just a little wax on it, guys. Pretty truck. You can see it's clean in there, dual exhaust. Front disc brakes. Factory 305 truck. This is actually, matter of fact, the sticker's still on it. It is a factory, or not a factory, a GM Mr. Goodwrench 305 crate engine. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. You can see they put new air conditioning on it. Power steering, power disc brakes. That's the original paint in the engine compartment here. Truck had the outside's been repainted. I think the miles that it's showing, cruise control, the miles that it's showing are actually what's on the truck since it's been done. Clean Carfax. Yeah, the boy's got a little color wax on it. You'll see it there. Just wipes off though, guys. Pretty truck. If you're seeing that, it's just they've color waxed the truck is what they've done. Truck's just clean. Dual chrome mirrors. Door handles look good. Door seams are nice and clean. Factory blue interior, two-tone blue interior. Power windows, power locks. Bench seat interior. Tilt column. Yeah, 12,226. That's supposed to be what's on the resto. Then the dual tanks. Delco AM/FM radio, it works. They put some custom kick panels in there. Again, dual exhaust, factory rear axle, so no big gear or anything. The sped tag is actually in the glove compartment. Truck's clean. Really nice truck. Clean underneath. Spare and jacker under here. Love these trucks. Matter of fact, I sold my personal truck yesterday. I was almost driving this home. And the original sped tag is in there. Nice truck. This is factory soft grade glass. Say truck runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Gauges are all functional, hold good oil pressure. Fuel gauge works. I don't think your door is closed. There you go. Backup lights work. Truck, really good truck. Power windows work. You can see it's rolling down. Radio works. Blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.